Wake the fuck up. Yes, that's right. I said wake the fuck up. Do you think that fucking moving through life like a fucking zombie, not really being aware of what the fuck you're doing and what you're trying to do is going to make some level of quality or happiness in your life? Wake the fuck up. Decide what you want to do. Decide what you want to do today. Decide what you want to do this week. Decide what you want to fucking do in life. Awareness is key. Again, wake the fuck up. Are you just fucking wandering through life, day to fucking day, getting to Saturday because you don't have to fucking do what you don't want to do Monday through Friday? That is a fucking terrible, meager existence that you have allowed to happen to yourself. Again, wake the fuck up. These are your choices. Have you actually thought about where you're gonna fucking be in 10 years if you consider the fact that you have a pattern of life that's not changing where you're going? That means in 10 fucking years, you're gonna be doing the same fucking thing. The only fucking difference is, the color of your fucking hair is gonna be a little bit more fucking gray. Is that truly what you fucking want? I cannot imagine so. Again, wake the fuck up. You have life at your fingertips. You can make choices to change your life. You don't fucking like something, get fucking rid of it. You don't fucking like somebody in your life, fucking get rid of them. Again, wake the fuck up. Stop allowing things to happen in your life that you do not want to happen. Stop the patterns in your life that are not bringing you closer to where you want to go. We all have thoughts. We all have goals. We all have dreams. Wake the fuck up. What are you doing today to move closer to your goals? What the fuck are you doing today to move closer to your dreams? Think about it.